Shit, I forgot to turn that radio down. I lowered that grill about 2 inches. I don't know. It don't really look a whole lot lower, but I have to start cutting off the bottom if I want to go any lower. It's a bitch getting them headlights straight. The bulb's crooked in one. Measuring wise, they should be straight, but they don't. I don't know if they look it or not. Oh well, it's just an old truck. Boy, steers nice with that new rod. World of difference. All right, well, hey, I just want to jump in here, make some content. I ain't been around for a couple of days. We'll see you on the next one. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.